Welcome back, friends. I'm back with new strategy for you guys. So this one you can use it on anything, whether it is a stock, options, futures, okay, and it gives a decent results, which is around 60 to 70%, okay. Only catch with any strategies, if you have followed the other strategies which I've shared earlier with you friends, you have to ensure that you have to follow all the rules which are given, and somewhere the money management and other emotional factors which has to be controlled. Then only you will be able to make decent money on these kind of setups. So if you remember certain things which I had given, and if you put those suggestions, whatever I had given in the Telegram channel, if you put those suggestions here in the strategy, you will realize how the money can be made pretty easily. Okay. Now, only thing where we are lacking right now is lots of people get bogged down with one or two wrong trades or one or two stop loss hits. Okay, and that is where people come back and say stop loss hit, stop loss hit. But only thing is you have to remember whatever we are doing right now is a completely probability game. So there are chances that whatever we are doing with whatever best possible knowledge what we have, our SLs can hit at any point of time. Okay, but only thing is that stop loss is basically to safeguard ourselves from a bigger loss, right? So I would always urge you guys to put the stop loss in the system and ensure you follow the rules which are given. Okay, so let's go back to the strategy. I will not waste much time here. Now, friends, the setup is very, very simple. Okay, you would not find this in most of the places. Okay, so one is standard volume. Okay, volume is only for our confirmation where exactly whether the buying is happening or selling is happening. Okay, we get a clear picture on this. Okay, we have RSI, which is 8-period RSI. Okay, we have moving average. Now, moving average, we have a little different settings. Okay, we have a 13-period moving average and the field is open. Okay, and type is exponential. Okay, so you have to just make sure you make these changes. Okay, and we have the color we have set it as a red color. Okay, so always remember this is 13-period moving average with the open as a base for us, and that is red color right now, right? And then we have another moving average, which is again exponential. The period is 9, okay, and the field is closed here, okay, and the color what we have set here is green, okay. So this one will be our the faster moving average, and it will give us buy and sell signals. Then the third one what we have here is ADX. Okay, so only 5 indicators what we have are small indicators. Okay, and what we are trying to do is we are trying to find out the best setup for our trading. Now we have ADX here, which we have kept it as a standard settings. Okay, we have not done any changes. However, I have just clicked on this histogram just to kind of get a clear picture on from the histogram. Okay, and then we will say thus done. Okay, now the strategy is very, very basic. Okay, whenever our 9 EMA is crossing 13 EMA, okay, from the down, okay, it is a buy signal. Okay, now I have just put in here is a Nifty May 15,100 CE, okay, which was yesterday's trade. Okay, if you see, we had got a buy signal at around 82 rupees. Okay, and we got a sell signal which is basically an exit thing at around 140 rupees. Okay, and 140, once if you are a buyer, definitely you would not be bothered about the sell signals which are coming in here. Okay, and you would be only bothered about the buy signals, right? Now the second signal what we got it was here around 139 rupees, and which ended up at 193 rupees. Okay, so whatever we got was like 50 rupees at least in one trade all the time. Okay, now the other rule why we added RSI. Okay, so RSI is basically I have added only for another confirmation. Now if you see this particular zone which is there, right, this particular place where we had a kind of consolidation. Okay, so we had here at this particular place a kind of consolidation, right? And if you see, if at all you would have gone with a moving average, you would have lost multiple SLs here, right? So whatever you gained here, probably you would have lost it at this particular point, right? So that is where we have to be careful, and hence our RSI signal is going to give us a better view of the market. Okay, so the way we are using RSI here is not the conventional way of using RSI, where it is overbought and oversold. We are using RSI settings, which is 8 period, and we have 60 as overbought and 40 as oversold. Okay, so whenever our RSI line is crossing 60, we will be in a buy signal. Okay, so we will buy at the 60 RSI. Okay, so we are not, and whenever the RSI enters into the below 60 zone, we can book our profits. Okay, so basically with the moving averages, we got the sell here. However, as per RSI, it has given us a sell at this point only. Okay, so around 11:20, we had this exit position at this point only. Okay, so 142, which is much better than 138, which was sell signal at this point. Okay, and then you see this particular part, okay, where we had a consolidation, there was no buy signal from the RSI. So we got saved at this particular place, that there was no sell signal at this RSI, right? And then you see again you get a buy signal at this particular point, which is around 210. Okay, and you get buy signal at this point as well. Okay, so you basically make decent money and on this signal. So you got saved with this consolidation period also, where you need not to buy or sell anything, and you would have not had a SLs hitting both the sides, right? And the other confirmation what we use is just for additional confirmation. If you are not okay with ADX, if you are getting confused with ADX, because ADX sometimes people get confused as what their concerns are. So if you are getting confused, you can always avoid it. Two signals, which is RSI and moving averages, is more than enough for you. However, if you want to add ADX, ADX will give another confirmation, which is basically I'm using this histogram. Okay, and the major important thing is this black line what we have. Okay, which is telling us basically when it is moving up, right? It is basically a trending. So where don't bother about this where it is going. Okay, it might be going down as well. However, your ADX line is going up, that is confirming you the trend is very, very powerful at this particular time, right? Whether it is going up or going down. So this is ADX is telling you the trend is very, very powerful at this particular time, right? And the gap between this green line and red line is also confirming you what is the kind of strength what we have in the trend. So basically this particular place, there was no strength at all in the trend. Okay, so this becomes our no trading zone. So you don't trade at this particular period. Okay, which is also confirmed by RSI, and then you get a buy signal at this particular point. Okay, and then you trade. Okay, so basically it is a green signal or a buy signal at this point. Okay, if you see earlier also, you never have really a buying signal on. So if at all somebody would have try to on an expiry day, if at all you would have tried to buy option, which is buy a call, you would have realized why I was keep on telling on the Telegram that any buy signal is a maybe a trap. If you look at this signal, it is clearly telling you there is no buy signal which is generating. Your RSI is also not given buy at any particular time. Your ADX is also kind of flat, so it has not given us any buy or sell signal. Okay, so this is where this strategy helps. Okay, you test this with other stocks and other things. I don't want to uh, you know uh, make this video very, very long to put it on the other stocks and other things, because that is where I think people lose interest. So I just wanted to keep it very, very small. And so this is the setup. You test it on your things. Do comment on your with this video, so that I know whether if it is useful for you, it is not useful for you, what exactly you need the next videos. Probably I'll come out with this thing. So another video which is coming up is basically on the market psychology, how the discipline and other things are important. So that I will upload it very soon. So thank you guys. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy.